I'm Martha with Oyster Bae, a traveling raw bar in Denver, Colorado. And in addition to being an oyster shucker, I'm also a dietitian. And you might be asking yourself, or not, are oysters healthy? And my answer is absolutely. Oysters are one of the most nutritious foods that you can eat. They are the richest dietary source of zinc. They're loaded with iron, vitamin B12, and all sorts of vitamins and trace minerals. And in addition to that, this is a really big one for me, is the sustainability factor. So oysters, interestingly enough, they're filter feeders. So as they grow, they're filtering the water, and one oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water a day, which is wild. Not only are they helping to clean and restore the environment, but they also are one of the most nutrient-dense foods that we can eat. Oysters, I believe, are the food of the future. Oh no, they're really, I mean, I don't, like, but that's not something I would really be worried about, is like eating too many oysters. Like, yeah, it's too much to where, so much that it would cause like an issue unless you're eating like 100 oysters a day, but nobody's eating that, you know. I wouldn't be so worried about the B vitamins because they're water soluble and you're going to be peeing those out. But it's more so the trace minerals that I would be concerned about. Well, I'm a dietitian, so we talk about all the ins and outs, so.